Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today we're taking a look at SlickVPN, found at slickvpn.com. SlickVPN presents itself as a straightforward and user-friendly virtual private network solution. The website highlights several key features designed to appeal to a broad user base, including fast connection speeds for smooth streaming and browsing, strong encryption to safeguard online privacy, and a no-logs policy for enhanced anonymity. SlickVPN also emphasizes its ease of use, suggesting a simple setup process and intuitive interface ideal for VPN beginners. The landing page showcases testimonials and potential use cases, such as bypassing geo-restrictions to access content from different regions, securing public Wi-Fi connections, and protecting online activities from prying eyes. They also appear to offer a range of subscription plans to cater to various budgets and needs, potentially including options for multiple simultaneous connections. While the site promotes the benefits of using SlickVPN, it's important to conduct further research to verify these claims. Looking at independent reviews and speed tests will provide a more comprehensive understanding of SlickVPN's performance and reliability. Investigating their privacy policy in detail is crucial to ensure their no-logs claim holds up to scrutiny. Consider comparing their features and pricing with other VPN providers in the market to determine if SlickVPN offers the best value for your specific requirements. Factors like server locations, customer support availability, and device compatibility are also important aspects to consider before committing to a subscription. Finally, exploring user forums and online communities can provide valuable insights into the real-world experiences of other SlickVPN users, helping you make an informed decision about whether this VPN service is the right choice for you.